Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the WinExec shell code for CMD.x. Let's get started. You can see on this board I have written for you this code for you if you want to take control of your user by CMD, by command prompt. What the API that we use we can reach command prompt. We use API WinExec for Windows. This is a API in Windows, so we can reach command prompt in your targeting secretly. After we reach this command prompt, we can control depend on your needs. For example, maybe you can download file in your targeting without your targeting knows your activity, or we can call it secretly. After you reach this command prompt, you can do anything depend on your needs. If you don't use this command prompt, maybe you directly into your file explorer on your targeting, and this is not safe because your targeting knows your activity. But if you through this command prompt, your targeting didn't know what you do. And in here I have written codes for you. You can write this in your notepad or in your visual code. Okay, and in here I will explain you this process of coding. In this code, there are 4 steps to understand this concept. The step number 1 is for initialization. For the first step, this is section.text underscore start. This is for initialization on your program. Okay, step number 2, to initialize register. Initialize register underscore start colon shell ex comma ex. And step number 3, to make it string in the stack. Okay, you can see in this code. This is step number 3, to make it string in the stack. And step number 4, or the last step, is calling WinExec. Starting from here, push until call the word. I will explain you this process step by step, starting from step number 1. Step number 1, section.txt global start. Section.txt this function to give analyzation executable code from program. Okay, I will repeat again for this section.txt. It means this is give us information that this is the part of code from program. And global underscore start, it defines starting point of this program. Don't forget, you have to write this for the starting code before you write this function. Next, go to step number 2. You can see in here, start and XOR EX, EX. If you imagine you are a new employer in your office, and then you have to think blank on your brain to start or before you start for your working. XOR EX, it means before you start work, you don't think anything, because if you think, for example, your problem in your home, and then when you starting working in your office, and then you still think your problem in the home, so make your working in your office become error. So the first step, you don't think anything, you don't think any problem in your home or in everywhere before you start working in your office. Okay, I give imagination like that. That same with this. Start XOR EX, EX. The function same with my analogy, starting from 0. Okay, go to step number 3. Push EAX this, and this. Okay, and I give you imagination about this code. For example, if you want to call your assistant to open the box, but you have to have planning on each this letter. Okay, this is box, and inside of this box there are many paper. This is paper, and then you have to write this paper on this paper. Okay, in this box, the inside of this box has many paper, and every this paper any comment. It means this is a comment the position the inside of this paper. This is paper and any comment inside of this paper, and this is push 0x466 312. This is comment and this position, this location in the paper. After you write this comment, and then you put this comment in CMD. Okay, you write comment this and you put on CMD. And what the function of this command for push EAX? What the function of this push EAX? The function is to make sure that there is a space between your comment. So make the code or make the process understand what you write. Push EAX, make a space between your comment. And what the function of this move EBX, ESP? The function to write the location of this paper. Okay, maybe if you see this is box and maybe position in the paper in the bottom, in the middle, or in the top. So this mean move EBX, ESP, the function to write the position of this paper. So if your assistant looking for this paper faster, because your assistant know the position of this paper, maybe in the bottom or maybe in the top position. Okay, so you have to write code like this to write the position of this paper. Okay, this is the step number 3. Step number 4, you can see in here, push until call reward. And this code has a function, and I will give you imagination. Push EAX else W underscore height parenthesis 0. It means you give command to your assistant secretly, okay, without anyone knows that your assistant can do anything. Okay, I will repeat again. If you want to give command into your assistant without anyone knows about your command to your assistant, okay, you have to write this as W underscore height parenthesis 0. And this push EBX has a function. This is tools target push EBX. If you want to access CMD, then you can write this cmd.exe. And then the last code call reward ptr WinExec. Okay, WinExec. It means you can call your assistant and give any your instruction to run CMD secretly. Okay, I think you understand about this explanation about how can you reach your targeting through command prompt secretly, and then you can write this code on your notepad or on your visual code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time, and goodbye.